Okay, you guys, so you may notice that I'm sitting on my floor. I'm about to show you some tips and tricks as well as one DIY thing that I did for like my little cat area for my cats. I also have another video that I'm making today, and it's going to be a makeup tutorial from the makeup that I did for the Cure concert that we went to. So let's go ahead and get started and look at the cat area, and then I'll upload the makeup tutorial later. Okay, so the first thing I want everyone to see is the cat litter mat that I have. It's actually one of those car mats, and it was way super cheap. It catches all the litter. That was one thing that I had been wanting to show everybody. The other thing is, these two plates from the dollar store, they're like these little metal trays. We got these because our cats eat way too fast and they make themselves sick sometimes. So if you have a cat that does that as well, that is something really great to invest in. And then the last thing is the DIY project that I did. So if you need like a water dispenser for your cats, because we have 3 and they run out of water quite often, I went and got this pan from Target. It was, I think, like $2, and this as well was $2, and it's just the 2-quart water jug. And all you do is fill up your water in the pan, you know, not too full because you don't want them to spill it or anything to happen. And you fill up your jug and you just set your jug inside, and then you poke a hole. I don't know if you can see the hole. You poke a hole right where the water line is, where you want it to stop inside the pan, and the water will dispense until it reaches the level that you made the hole. So it's not anything extravagant or super exciting, but it's something that I didn't think of that costed me $4 instead of $18 or $14 for the actual ones that are made already. And of course you could decorate this if you wanted it to. Just make sure you don't paint or anything where the water is, so that way it doesn't get in your cat's water. You can use any container. It doesn't have to be something as simplistic as this. It could be something a little more pretty, or however you want it to look. I was a little skeptical because I didn't want to use anything that had any chemicals or anything in it previously. So there you guys have it, some of my tips and tricks for my cat area, as well as the DIY water dispenser that I did. The only thing that I want to add is be sure that you close the lid to your water dispensing item, your bottle. Make sure that it's airtight, because if there is air that is allowed to go into it, the water will rise above the hole that you made. I learned that by making a mistake. So be sure, again, that your bottle has an airtight lid at the top. It cannot have an open hole. And then secondly, make sure that you have a bottle or dispenser that is not collapsible. Don't use a milk jug or something with a thin layer. It needs to be pretty sturdy so it doesn't collapse with the water around it. Okay, so y'all go ahead and do that. Stick around for my makeup tutorial from the Cure concert, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.